Good morning. Ozamyam. Ngasigi session haugnanabage yabadu ojasingdagi lawjage. Ngasigi session sida nainanaba thamjariba topic si core teaching skill. Core teaching skill sina ngasigi session sigi topic ni hai ojam yam ngi mang thamjare huji akoina core teaching skill ji hek lakpaga ojam yam na hangbiba question ojam yam hangbiba question am khak le tambiba takibada how many skills are there skill kayam lege but ain ojam daijening is we have uncountable skills in teaching learning process. Maramaduna, lady uncountable skills into amamanta oina micro oina khana nabagi idea am lakpa dagi kedawi aikoida micro teaching haiba word ama kathoi haiba word si ihan hana awd alena Stanford University, USA. However, AWD Alengina micro teaching about words. Ihan Hana Sinegi. However, micro teaching is Kata the Sinagata Yaharagati Teacher Training Institute, not a college in the Sinai. This is teaching learning process only for teachers trainees. Training school, training college, Oza Singh Katangi when the Sinanaba Adamina. It was experimental and developed. Fourth foundation Makata Adamina developed Ogiba Adugumba wording dunia in Ozami Aman Tamzari say micro teaching. How even micro teaching see Karina Haba? Definition of it is a teaching learning process only for teacher trainees. However, micro teaching she carry the kana hali haragati. Normal life teaching learning process is very tough, very complex. That complicated way about that teaching learning process to help simplify or help micro teaching can be used or can be applied. So, micro teaching na sumna equal normal teaching learning process complicated way grabasi kamana simplify we henge haragadi point mari ekone pije get haiba point mari sida wajai naina bira kanda micro teaching na how far the complicated teaching learning process tends to simplify it. Then is number 1 that we use only one skill at a time. Matam ama katanda skill ama katang sinage. Whether we use only one concept at a time. Amukta da concept ama katang sinage. Whether the size of the classroom decrease from 5 to 10 students. Satagi masing si 5 tagi na 10 bawi manungda handali. Then the duration of the class. Class amagi matam si ko normal 45 minutes, 50 minutes sabado si dedicate aura 5 to 10 minutes ta handali. So normal teaching learning process is so much complicated to simplify to only kamaina amukata the skill amakatang sinai amukta the concept amakatang sinai student ki capacity to 5 to 10 the handali as well as duration of the period to minute manga degina tarata handali. Sumaina micro teaching si AWD alena putho kan koi mana thamme by using of this micro teaching the complexity of the teaching learning process tends to simplify. Then let us come to micro teaching cycle. माइक्रो टीचिंग से साइकिल कोई यंगमीनसी माइक्रो टीचिंग साइकिल से समा है प्लान तौरनी टीच तौरनी प्लान तौरनी अदुई मतुंगा टीच तौरनी अदुई मतुंगा फीडबैक लौरनी फीडबैक लौबो काजिदा केदवा मु करिगुंबा इफ दरकार लेरगदी रीप्लान तौये रीप्लान तौरगा नम केदोरे रीटीच सम तौरनी रीटीच तौरगा नमु रीफीडबैक तौरनी सुमायना प्लान तौरगा लेरबा माइक्रो लेसन अमा टीच तौबिरो देन फीडबैक लौबिरो देन रीप्लान तौबिरो इफ दरकार ओरगदी रीटीच तौबिरो रीफीडबैक लौबिरो सिदा खोना लाइदी तंबीबा सिदा 6 मिनट्स अमा संहलसी फीडबैक लौबदा 6 मिनट्स अमा संहलसी रीप्लान तौबदा 12 मिनट्स अमा संहलसी रीफीडबैक लौबा कांदा 6 मिनट्स अमा संहलसी रीटीच तौबा कांदा अदुगा रीफीडबैक 6 अमा संहलसी अदुगा टुगेदर खोना लाइसे 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6 is 36 minutes time. This 36 minutes is called the life cycle, life period of a micro teaching cycle. And we low. I don't know. Tambi with 6 minutes, feedback over 6 minutes. Aduga replan umutorba. If feedback the book at the with 12 minutes, then retest over the 6 minutes. Aduga refeedback over the 6 minutes. Together 36 minutes. Manunda micro lesson nama plan tawrage tambiba loyan bayai. So अखोदा अइन ओजावदा थमजनिंग इसे को टीचिंग स्किल की मखादा तोंगान तोंगान व स्किल मसा मसा मयाम से कोइना माइक्रो ओइना तम्मा कांदा लाइबो माइक्रो लेसन नम सेम मतम द संगिबो मतम दुने सिनी माइक्रो टीचिंग हाइबसिन सिनी हाबदु थमजरे मयाम ममांगा अदुई मतुंदा अइन ओजावदा खन्ना नब थमजनिंग इबो टॉपिक सी पॉइंट सी लाइबो स्किल मयाम सिदगी Let us take one skill. Skill amakat local laga yin si. An baina wazadagi local laga wazaga nainani ba skill si questioning skill. Questioning skill hariba micro module si ino wazagi manga thamjara. Hi, questioning skills देखो तो लाके दिशी questioning skills का लाइव questions itself is very different. I got the question नहीं खंगे examination हमको question नमा अदुगा classroom दा हमको question नमा होशी अकोई ना नहीं तो इसी दी classroom दा हमको question दो हाय वो classroom दा हमको question सी थम ड्रिंग ऐदा नहीं ना ड्रिंग ऐदा ऐना वाला ऐदा थम ड्रिंग इसी question नहीं बस ये लाख पका माइक्रो टीचिंग है ना कोई को टीचिंग स्किल की मनंग यावरिबा मचा मचा मयाम से पुथोगा नैनबा मतमदा करम करम लाइक मार्केट फंगी कदाय दगी कोना को टीचिंग स्किल से लौथोकनी खोगी माइक्रो लेसन ना लौथोकदगी हारगदी एनसीईआरटी ना फोंग ले को टीचिंग स्किल दुम को विषय मार्केट में आमम फंगी माइक्रो टीचिंग हाइदना सबटाइटल ममिंग पीरा कांदा तोंगान बलाइ में आमम सु फंगी हाइबा को टीचिंग स्किल एनसीईआरटी की नतगा मार्केट फंगीबा माइक्रो लेसन यावबा माइक्रो टीचिंग यावबा अदुगुंबा लाइक मयाम अमा अजावाइन मार्केट फंगीगनी अदुगुंबा लाइक सिंग दुदगी रिफर तो बिरगा अजावा हेना ममु ताना नैनबगी चांस अमा लेना हाइजेबनी से मतुंगा मु अखोई द कई लाया हाइबा माइक्रो टीचिंग सी कदाई कदाई दा इंट्रोड्यूस तवी कदाई कदाई द सी नहीं अइना अजावाइ द थमजनिंग से बीएड तसु MNTSU teaching learning process ta ayambana micro teaching si nei, but we are the lecturers, we are the teachers of diploma in elementary education in different diets. Different diets ta ekoi da hana leiramba ekoi gi structure ekoi gi training ki kamal legi have the number 1 da in service training le. In service training si da ekoi na micro teaching skill mari introduce the way hi mari do di writing of instructional objective. Number ani subada questioning skill. Awam subada stimulus variation. Mari subada reinforcement. Sumana in service training ki damat ekoi na micro teaching skill mari local lagata me writing of instructional objective, questioning skill, stimulus variation, amasung reinforcement. We have pre-service ki sule ekoi da. Pre-service city diploma course ni sahi ani na sai. First year ba ke kita ni. First year that number 1 blackboard writing term. Number 2 components and structure of classroom questions. Ahum subada delivery and distribution of classroom questions. Mari subada writing of instructional objective. Sumana first year pre-service diploma in elementary education da mari sitam. Then ozaida ye second year ki sida thamjage. Second year ki ahan bada masai sida in service ta tamgibo sing ki degi lokal lakanna stimulus variation, ani shubada reinforcement, ahum shubada explanation, mari shubada illustration with example. Yes. That satellite training sigi matung ina aikoida lediba micro teaching skills into aina mayanda thamjabani naina bada nungaina ba in service training layering aida mari ama lakhali writing of instruction objective kuma ini questioning skill, question classroom da hangba kanda live skill dugi matanda stimulus variation ozagi chess of teachers behavior gi matanda reinforcement matanda mari ji phai tham. Pre-service ki di first year da blackboard writing ne components and the structure of classroom question ne delivery and distribution of classroom question ne writing of instruction objective sima thami first year da. Second year da stimulus variation, reinforcement, explanation, and illustration with examples. I know that I'm Samna Hirabada, high river micro teaching the skill in a lady say they are also one of the skill, one of the module in micro teaching ni habitum tamjabin. High river mayam sigi mananga was our again a city, Kana never get Tanza, my loja gay, high river Tanza, she logo matamda, ain't a tamzagato share, questioning skill have a similar tamzagish. Aduna, let us talk about questioning skill. Questioning skills in a hijab dog I have a question means the classroom questioning examination question that day. Then I could have see Bloomsky taxonomy matung human mental characters ahum thukna nei na bai yai ke haiman haibada sma hai. Number 1, cognitive domain. Number 2, affective domain. Number 3, psychomotor domain. I know that the is domain of the human characters in a big guys. Ahan bagi cognitive domain high thinking. Ani subgi domain high feeling. Ahum sub domain high doing. Aduna I could have a question I was seeing a Marie Lane and I could have see human character see domain whom the name of a cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain in a Aduna Mata Hida could have a high Matma Gandhi Matung in I could have handled me see 387. 387 I know the thinking had a head, feeling had a heart. Doing her hand. I home seeking coordination. I home application to make with the teaching learning process, the education, a lifelong education with the peers. I know that Tanzania, who's was it ticket or I home said, I summit in the left, in the lega 4 ice walk. 4 ice like a ticket or some money, hand, head, heart. I do a Mary should was it hell. Shumana, I know, was our Tanzania is a Norman teaching learning process. I could the lady, but domain sing, domain to make with the periba, that area, 3A7 a kano, 3A the later machine a kano, 4A la, 4A la, and the hell taps the left. Then, I think I told the Jacob Mukidora, who's a quite a classroom the oiro, exam question oiro. I am thinking the name in the result. How you thinking she that he get around? Objective Murray knowledge Haibama, understanding Haibama, application Haibama, skill Haibama. And knowledge the base of a question, understanding the base of a question, application the base of a question, skill the base of a question, and Shmaila. Now, I couldn't have why shall share, Naina to share. Tana they say knowledge, understanding, application, and skill the base of questions in me. Okay? Shumana, core teaching skill the your skill mayam, then micro teaching the KPIVA, micro teaching mayam the local example or not, questioning skill I will give a the name. Because it equate to the point who in the last sheet. Questioning skill. I was still I can't get alright. I call evaluation to woman the classroom the question may am hangi. Hangi what questions in say Sigi Matanda kind of light one but way the teaching skill amo oina lokhalaga kari kari nei na ba ya ba ge ha ba dunia ina oza da thamje ningi listening skill sigi maka da koina nei na ba ya ba point khara thamje ge oza da number 1 structure of classroom questions. Number 2, components of classroom questions. Number 3, the delivery of classroom questions. Number 4, the distribution of classroom questions. 5, the redirection. 6, the response management and absence. Aina oza mayam mangda thamjari ba questioning skills gi makada naina ba ya ba point manga ka taru ka thamjara structure ne component ne delivery ne distribution ne redirection ne response management kojik questioning skills si khara hena detail oina na bagi dama kai de batai lairiba points si one by one. Let us study about structure of classroom questions. Structure of classroom questions is like this. Sumahai. I coin question hangwamatam the Kaidawi, Angan Singsi. At least they have to say. Answer Kara, Kayumakara, the one machine they hide with the palm. We want to listen something from the student side. Chatragi, Nakandagi, Mokogi, Maikaidagi, Aquina Kaipami, Karigumaka, Harakuduni, Aquina Palms. Seto. Question Hangaga students in a Kumata with Okui Pamde, Kumapa Pamish. Say something, reply something. Anisu, but Aquina Pamish is after the Kaipami. Question to Hangaka and the answer to Pedring. Can think before reply, before saying anything. And Hakan Kalan Masibapa. Also, whether questions clear meaning lay have a simakangan. Ahum si kanganing banina kedora, question hangamatam the su, ahum si hangana was in a hambius. That is called structure of the classroom question coach. Aduna structure is fanga bagidama kaidoba. I coin a sat the demand to reset, Karigumbaka hierarchy, Nathan Kanba, Aduka Hangiva question to get clear meaning of a layer with Makangan Bataka. Oi. Ahum zip hanga bagidama classroom the Hangado questions say, Kari Wayan Zigation. I know what the other Tanzanese. Adu Kedora, man of Harisha. Mataxi on Tango folks again. Karigumbakara Hayalaki, High Targeti, I find a classroom the hundred of questions there. W no who question whom use. KKW no by the what no hang by when no hang by where no hang by why no hang. What is the color of leaf hang by? When the sun rises, when your school starts, where is Moran, where is in Paul, where and when, what, white hang bi white the color of leaf green hang bi ka sumaina w na hobo question hang bi then how na hobo question hang bi how ko na how the green leaves synthesize their own food hang bi aduna kai gumba khala hairat na khanna na clear over meaning le have si phangna na bagi dama w na hobo question di hang bi yes or no answer oibe yaba auxiliary verb na hobo di hang bi genu chire ji ko la ise is the color of leaf green and hairat di yes or no the sakrani ai ko na pa mi bo kai gumba khala hairat pa du leire roish aduna sima thamjare then question number 1 number 2 da amukta the question ani hangbi ge no don't ask 2 questions at a time amukta question ani hangbi ge no amukta question ani hangbi ge no hai sikai question ani hangel ready ama khangaga ama khandadana khumakta ba yai mara maduna suma hai what is the color of leaf what are the functions of leaf and ani punan magi mohut tongan hangbi what is the color of leaf na tongan ma hangbi and what are the functions of leaf and hangbi bu su yai so mai ko da lai yo condition sida kai daura components of classroom questions si ko si ki se lo shala kai do ba kai gum ba kala highlight na ba ki da w na ho ba hangbi ro how na hangbi su hangbi ro aduga auxiliary verb na ho ba yes or no na answer will be a question di hangbi ge no this is the structure of classroom layer then let us come to components of classroom questions components in hita ikoi kari no koi na hangbai ari sha component ye makha da ikoi na la isi relevance precision grammatical correctness kai da ba classroom the hangada questions should be very much relevance or view precision or view grammatical correctness le view ahum si la kan ko de relevance with kino what do you mean by relevance relevance la kan dai chon da kitan koi thok sa ge in biro za hoi ai koi na lesson plan ta bu matam da ai koi da hujik le si han suma haram ko general aims and specific aims and general aim specific aims kari hai on kara general objective specific objective and on Hojik specific objective si amuk kaida la instructional objective instructional objective si amuk kai hana la learning objective learning objective si hojik kai la learning outcomes si bi yang biwa zamya lesson plan ta bu matam da ozana ta thing gi mamang da ozada lege ta ba idea ma khak ai thok che bani kari thok da ba tambi ta pi ri ba du gi aim man han le general aim specific aim general aim the specific aim si kai on gara general objective and a specific objective in on sida ino da le tham jeni se aim ga objective ka kai khena gi aim si la ka dai no da le samai to jara sida ina round nam ga ko le sa ta si sida ina hai re khata han do ให้เราจะเอาให้พี่เนาะหันตัวศาสตร์มาขัดตัวนั้นสุกมาเที่ยงคนปีรู้ชีวิตทั่วมุ่งมันทั่วเมืองโลกทำไมก็จังเนี่ยปานเกตระปานเลยดิแกให้เนี่ยจังเนี่ยแกให้นี่สุกมาเที่ยงมันนะไอ้เนี่ยเราเนี่ยมันกูเลยที่จะศาสตร์สิ่งเดียวมาทั้งทั่วเมืองเลยเสียปานเกตระปานเลยดิสิ่งนี้เราจะทั้งสิ่งนี้ว่าจะเอาที่อันนั้นยังเลยมันนี่ก็ไอ้เนี่ยให้เจนนี่ดีปานเบสุยายปานเดเบสุยายปานเบสุยาบปานเดเบสุยาโอ้ยเบสุยาบโอ้ยเดเบสุยา this is called AM goes အခုနငါဝင်နေတဲ့ကိစ္စမာဘွန်ဆာနေကေရောမ်ဆာနေမှာတန် AM တရကကပ်ခီစံရီဘစုရောက်ခီစံဒီဘစုရောက်ခီအော် AM မှာရှိသည်ဖန်ရစုရပါဖန်ရစုရပါပေါ်အမနီနာ AM ရှိတော့ဖို့အစီ objective policy ရခဏ objective ဟာဒီကိနော် in the near future you ought to get အတေးမှာမတန်ကြီးမလို့ဆိုရတဲ့ဖန်တဲ့ဘသူ objective ကိုဝီအဲ့ဒါဒီရကို AM ဆို objective only အဲ့ဒါကမှ specific objective と instructional objective ကိုလဲအဲ့ဒါကမှ instructional objective と learning objective ကိုလဲ learning objective と learning outcomes လာအဲ့ဒါဒီအဲ့တော့ဇာဝိတထမ်းခြင်းနေကဲဟဲ့ပါ relevance ရှိကိန်း我咱那大一个就这个行比有 question， 啊，都不这个行比跟来，啊，对的。我咱那他们把 instructional objective, learning objective or learning outcomes 到，啊，都在 base 的个 question 行比有，啊，都不这个行比跟 no。Then， 一个东西来是，样来个怎么样 ？Relevance should be related with the instructional objective, learning objective or learning outcomes to gamari lene ba question kata hang bio si gamari lene da question hang bige no precision means what classroom questions should be very short yam tial hang bio shuma hai Manipur ki governor ki maming kari kawi what is the name of the governor of Manipur hai ba sida Ozana sanggo me sumai hangin class ta phami bangang mayam noi manung da hai bangam bra mani pugi governor tu ki maming kari kawi ka sumai sang na hanga gedi madu ekoi classroom question da satna de madu classroom question da ke do ba should be very short direct question or hin be used this one then grammatical correctness it is very important but written form the ai ba de bi am da ka oi ngang phok with the grammatical correctness kya hai aduna we have to check correctness then mari shu da ma tan ga chal ram ge kai da wa mari shu da chal li se clarity question to ki am real meaning ama am clear ba meaning ama lai ge da ni this is the components of classroom question ne sinai na azas me tham de ni Then, ako husi kay daw kara. Listening skill tam nay na bagi mata kita number 1 ta kaisa kara. Structure of classroom questions sa kara. Number 2 ta kaisa kara. Components of the classroom questions sa kara. Husi kay lai wazai kuta delivery of classroom questions. Wazana hide win the class questions is hangdoing wazana satring hide win. Kamai hide the gauge. How to deliver the classroom questions. However, classroom question hide was here. Kari ki makha poli on sidesu as I am thinking biro ahum bi points ahum subal like this spirit number 2 the voice number 3 the pose ozana classroom the question hang bada high matam da number 1 speed should be controlled number 2 voice should be said number 3 pose should be there. Already, speed, voice, pose is okay no. As I know, can be there. Speed, already, ngang iba hang iba question to give to the velocity, speed to it. Otherwise, I think man high speed should be controlled. Maray tatpo zasing ngang with the young tree, I target the kitten top 10 at siak to whip. On the speed, you must understand high. अरूब क्वेश्चन हंगबदी तपना हंबियु अदुगा अराइब क्वेश्चन ओरगना थुना हंबियु अदुना क्वेश्चन दुगी लेवल क्वेश्चन दुगी डिफिकल्टी लेवल की मतुंगिना अरूब क्वेश्चन ओरगना खरा तपना हाइबिरो अदुगा अराइब क्वेश्चन ओरगना थुना हाइबिरो सिमा लेरेको अनि सबदा voice should be checked वजाना हंगिबो क्वेश्चन दो ऑडिएबल ओइगदोमि क्लासरूम की मफम खुदिंग मत तावा क्वेश्चन ओइगदोमि then hangeba question dugi module kai haini tones of voice anem awang sanagani aduga loina ta wada nungai ba voice to him be used then ahum se ba ko hine ko jam important ori pause habati kai no koi handset ta computer da dum yaw ba button mu su lei pause har ko na khangai si सी ममी ते खिनी समहात काय हिनी हाइदना पोज तो रे लेंहन देना चटपगी पोज अम सुलै द मता हिदा लाइब पोज दी व्हाट इट मीन क्लासरूम की क्वेश्चन से वजाना डिलीवर तो थोखर कांदा छात्र न खुमक तिंगाई की मरक टू द स्मॉल इंटरवल अम गैप अम ले दैट इज कॉल्ड पोज क्वेश्चन वजाना क्वेश्चन तो हंबिरो हतंग तुमिना ले बिरो कैदोना बा टू गिव चांस टू रिप्लाई बाय द स्टूडेंट्स छात्र सिंगल रिप्लाई तो पगी चांस अम खन्न नबगी मतम पीदना ओजाना ने हातंग लेपदो दैट इज कॉल्ड पोज क्वेश्चन अदुना क्लासरूम द ओजाना क्वेश्चन हाइबा मतम दा स्पीड कंट्रोल तो व्यू वॉइस चेक तो व्यू अदुगा पोज हापी यू दिस इज द थर्ड पॉइंट हुजी एकोय क्वेश्चनिंग स्किल की मतंग दा केदोबा पॉइंट अहुम मतंग नै नखरा के पॉइंट नो तनिंग सिंग सी आहान बद के हागिबा structure of classroom question ani shubda ke hagi ba components of the classroom questions ahun shubda ke hagi ba delivery of classroom questions then let us come to distribution of classroom questions distribution habadi ke no yen tho hangeba question angang sing da kamai yen tho ka de gi kamai na nang hairo what about style of distribution dune mode of distribution dune se da nei ne distribution jisu kaya tuk na ninyo ko yagi ang tanging si number 1 distribution in space namely ani shubada distribution in between volunteers and non-volunteers. Hariba anishini yang kan ko sin nei. Hariba structure si da redirection su yaw salan gasi. Kitang kuina nei na da kara sam na. Ahum su sa redirection ohen gasi. Yes. Distribution makan ahum sui. 1 distribution in space. 2 distribution in between volunteers and non-volunteers. Number 3 redirection. Aduna aha bata jana classroom question kamai shini kari structure sanni kari component yawani aduga kamai taraga haigeni haiban laigraba matunda hairaba question do छात्र मयाम दु कमानी yen thokpi get the gauge the koi dalai aha bagi distribution si yen si karama makal ki distribution no ozana class ma de lepe question higher pada mana what is the color of leaf na hai छात्र sing si apan na bana tab to ma da saw bada amma da row number 1 2 maning pan mamang pan da hang bana tab whole students ozagi mitu thamira Tambira kana puna maksida amukta da kanana kumakada bano kangandana pula tula madana questions je hangjella so the question in the classroom is the questions je langjan mero then post torong haktang lepo aduga kumakada ba mido azana find out to be raw that distribution is called distribution in space ko ओजा ज्ञान तारों भी भी को क्या है बा ओजा ने क्वेश्चन से पुनः मत येंगा का हाई भी रो हाई रब मतम दे ngahaktan khanna bagi matam ama pose ama piro adi matam de khummakadaba mi do ओजा ने फाइंड आउट भी रो this distribution is called distribution in space कोई यार को समझा next distribution in between volunteers and non-volunteers सिद्धि के लोगा normal classroom दा ओजा है ना हंगे कमाई हंगे महात्मा गांधी की मपा की मम्मी करी कोई है हंगा कन कना कना खंगी अखंग बगै खुद थांगलो अखंग बगै होगलो कना न खंगी कना न खंगदी है ओजा ना डिसाइड ऑफ अखंग बसिंग दो आई वॉलंटरी ले खंगे ओजा न खुद थांगलै बले खलै बसिंग दो दे आर कॉल्ड वॉलंटियर्स कोई खंगदी है देना यामना इनोसेंट वैना यामना लोनली तुमिना फंगजरी बमी दो दे आर कॉल्ड नॉन वॉलंटियर्स कोई ओजा की क्वेश्चन दो वॉलंटियर्स अनि अहुम दा हंगबिरो मोइना कुमको आंसर तो तारा कांदा नॉन वॉलंटियर्स दा हंगबिरो this mode of distribution is called distribution among volunteers or non-volunteers natraga distribution in between volunteers and non-volunteers ko bi ya ko zamaya oza ne so dum classroom le to gi beduni any question ama hanga kanda kana kana khangi akang bagai khut thanga lo an haira kanda sarendra to rei ba khut thanga lei ba voluntary lei khangai oza na tholei ba do they are called volunteers correct khangde hai to tumi na le jeri pa sim non volunteers correct ओजा ने क्वेश्चन आंसर हाइदोक्तना खंगी हाइदना मखुद थांगलै बा छात्र अनि उहुमदा हाइहलो मखोई आंसर तो तार कांदा ngasai non volunteers ida hangbiro this mode of distribution is called kai kora distribution among volunteers and non-volunteers correct then what is redirection khona mai naina e ko bani pa amaga question answer tawnari ngai da another student ama langi enkabas adu ta ke ina same question do ma won mo hangjen bo yes that is called redirection coverage then the last point is response management ओजान क्वेश्चन हंगबा मतमदा खुमई व स्टूडेंट्स सिंग दो मको अवार्ड पीपीयू थागत वाई हाइबियू फजने लोइने बियू फजने ट्रीट तो बियू करिगुंबा खुंबा नमद्रगदी ओजान के दो बताय from to bigera clue bigera soidele khumna bo hotna view that is called response management coverage sumaina aina ozai de khudam ma ka thamjaba ka tagi wani micro teaching haibana sini definition lai gara micro teaching mayam mai ko yi khutta lai haiba micro teaching mayam dugi manung dagi questioning skill ko ba micro teaching ama kha akoina pukhatnaga khanna na bagi tanja du loje ba ka tani ozai ga aduna Kuzik hariba questioning skill hariba koi micro teaching module le skill number 1 se koi khanna bthi lo ra ang tan remind to recapitulate ang tan to kai do ba classroom da hanga da ba question sing se masi koi point kya da nei na ba yai hai ra point manga da nei na ba yai hai ahan da ke have a structure of classroom questions structure of classroom question da ke do ba w na hoba question hang view how na question hoba question hang view auxiliary verb na hoba yes or no answer or verb question hang bi ke no hai ani shu da ke do ba structure like ra structure da ke hai ba ko na relevant or view precision or view ke do ba ha da hai ki ba ja relevant precision as well as ke hai ke ba on se ba point do asam yang tan ni sing biro clarity like them back like what question oil with them wow that is के है structure like component like component के है उसी की तो should be relevant should be precision should be clear then अब हम सब देखो क्या है delivery like रहा मरी सुविधा क्या है distribution like रहा मंगा सुविधा क्या ले रहा response management है ले सुमाइना अखोना तंबी बेदा ताकि बेदा संगबा स्किल मयाम से मचा 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 खाइदो कन्ना स्किल अमम तंबी बगी खुदोंग साबदु लोबे याय सुमाइना अखोय द स्किल मयाम लेरि से मथंग मथंग ओजाय ताना नबगी तंबी अखोय नैना नबगी खुदोंग साबदु लोजगे नसिगी दमकदी हारिबा क्वेश्चनिंग स्किल सिदा बेस तोरगा एनी क्वेश्चन एनी डॉफ लेरगसु ओजा होय अइंगोंदा फोन तौबीरकेरा हंबीगेरा हाबगी कंडीशन में थमजरगा पुनः मुकुट खुरमजरी थैंक यू वेरी मच